On Friday, sources said that there was a likely cyber attack at the beginning of Russia's offensive in Ukraine. According to reports, nearly 9,000 subscribers of a satellite internet service provided by its subsidiary Nordnet in France are without internet following a cyber event on February 24th at Viasat, which is a US satellite operator of which it is a client. Eutelsat, the parent company of the Big Blue satellite internet service, also confirmed on Friday that around one-third of Big Blue's 40,000 subscribers in Europe, in Germany, France, Hungary, Greece, Italy and Poland were affected by the outage on Viasat. On Wednesday, Viasat said that in the US, a cyber event had caused a partial network outage for customers in Ukraine and elsewhere in Europe who rely on its KASAT satellite. Viasat gave no further details, saying that police and state partners had been notified and were assisting with investigations. Head of France's Space Command, General Michel Friedling, said that there had been a cyber attack. He said that for several days, shortly after the start of operations, they had a satellite network that covers Europe and Ukraine in particular, which was the victim of a cyber attack, with tens of thousands of terminals that were rendered inoperative immediately after the attack. The outages also knocked offline some 5,800 wind turbines in Germany and Central Europe with a combined output of 11 gigawatts. Military and cyber specialists fear that the Russian-Ukraine conflict could lead to an outbreak of cyber attacks, a cyber Armageddon, with major consequences for civilians in Ukraine and Russia, but also globally. But a worst-case scenario has so far been avoided, as the attacks observed appear to be contained in their impact and geographical scope. Cybersecurity companies have observed attacks in Ukraine that deploy a new data-destroying virus, the actual effects of which are not yet known. In Russia, institutional websites were made inaccessible from abroad to protect them from denial of service attacks that regularly rendered them inoperable.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.